This government is now taxing everything. Right now, they are taxing the wigs, the weaves, the nail polish, the artificial eyebrows, and even the beards that is making our young men look more handsome. I want to tell you that a government that is stealing from our ladies is not a good government, and a real man should not steal from ladies. Our ladies are now putting on these weaves, the wigs, to attract tourists, and the main tourist attraction in this country are our beautiful ladies. So Kenya will lose billions because tourists will see is coming here, because a lot of taxes are now going to purchase these items that our ladies are using. And in this country, you are taxed to eat. Taxation on food, and it is so high, you are taxed to eat, and that is why I suspect so many people are starving to death. The Shakahola deaths, I think those are people who died because of starvation, because they didn't have money to even buy food, because that is not normal. Number two, you are taxed to live in a house. And the other day, you saw the president announcing that there will be an additional 3% on taxation on our housing. You are taxed to put on clothes. Meanwhile, they are saying that walking naked is a crime. But when you go on clothes, you are being taxed. Very soon, they want to start taxing our boxers. We'll start walking without boxers or torn underwears. So everything is being taxed. Look at water. For you to drink water, it is taxed. For you to be healthy, you are taxed to be healthy. Taxation on medicine. So they are taxing food, they are taxing clothes, they are highly taxing our education, and you saw what is happening. Very soon our children will not be going to school. They'll be stopping at high school because they won't have money to afford to go to the university. They are taxing our houses. So you are taxed on everything. So this government is out to finish us, because we will not have any other thing to be taxed anymore. And the only thing that RUTO is not taxing is oxygen. And let us be also very careful, because you might not know, hewa itaanza kunyongwa. Juu hii serikali is out to finish us. I think they are on a mission to reduce the population of this country. And how do they benefit from that? Because as a result of this taxation, people are depressed, people are committing suicide, people are losing hope in life. Nothing is happening. So I think we are in a very wrong direction, and we are not supporting this. And the members of parliament who wants to support this heavy taxation, shame on you, because your constituents elected you to serve them, but you've decided to serve your principles, which is very, very wrong.